Need for Speed, Nitro, games and movies portray cars whooshing in fast speed. But Russ Swift car stunt show was no fiction. The veteran British driver known for his stunts and precision driving wowed the Cebuanos with his death-defying car stunt show for the Subaru test drive last August 28 in SM City, Cebu parking space.
I've been doing this for 50 years now. I started off as a hobby in motorsport, the cheapest form of motorsport like gymkhanas. I became the British champion and got asked to show off my tricks in public 40 years ago, and I've been doing it for a living ever since then.
With grit and precision, Swift did several crazy stunts with both the Subaru WRX and the bigger Subaru Forester. For over 50 years, Swift has impressed the crowd with his different shows, putting his name in the Guinness World Record. Tires refueling as Swift drifted through the tracks, did several spins, and did his signature parallel parking move. He even drove the Forester with just two wheels and the other two in the air.
It's an absolute pleasure to be back here in Cebu. We came for the first time last year and everybody made us so welcome. The audiences are so warm and it's such a pleasure to perform to. They really seem to enjoy my show and I certainly enjoy performing for them.
Several members of the audience were privileged to take on the challenge to ride with Russ himself. We were allowed to take the passenger seat as Russ Swift did his bold and audacious stunts. The event was held to showcase the Subaru's latest technology.
Subarus are the best car in the world for doing what I do. The low centre of gravity with what they call a boxer engine makes them handle far better than anything else. And the steering, they're tough, they're strong, and they're an absolute pleasure to drive. I couldn't have a better car to drive. If anyone wants to try and do this sort of thing, join a local motor club. I'm sure there's clubs here in Cebu. Hire a car park like this, put some bollards out and manoeuvre against the clock, and practice makes perfect. I'm sure if I can do it, anybody can do it. But stay safe. Don't ever do anything like this on the public roads.
With reports from Elise Cavallero and Jeff Cañada, down to Luzon, MyTV Cebu.